Hey guys, what's up? I just got home from school and there was this package on my porch and I'm pretty sure it's my order from Katseye, so let's open it. Okay, so first I got the Beautiful Chaos vinyl. Okay, here's the back, here's the front, and then on the inside there are these pictures here. The record sleeve is so cute. Just look at this. Oh my god, right? Isn't this so cute? And then the vinyl itself is this sort of yellow color. And then this side with the Katseye logo on it has no like music on it or anything. This side is just decorative because there's only like 4 songs on the EP. So comment down below which Beautiful Chaos song is your favorite. Mine is Game Boy. Okay, then I got the Beautiful Chaos photo book. So I'm so excited to see what the extras are. Here's the packet of them. And let's see what they are. I'm so excited. I hope that there's something with Sophia in it because she's my bias. Comment down below what's your bias. Okay, there's this really cool keychain or like sleeve. And I'm pretty sure this is for like an ID or something, or like to put on your lanyard or something. I'm not really sure. There's this photo card of Daniela, and then these stickers that have like the names of all the songs on them. There's this Polaroid thing here with like the Katseye numbers on it, and then these little photo cards with Megan and Daniela. Okay, there was nothing with Sophia in that one, but I'm still of hope because I also got the Soft is Strong like photo book. So let's just look at what is in this one. There's this really cute Soft is Strong holograph card. Look at that. And then in the back it has like the touch thing. And then here is all the extras. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, there are 2 photo cards here of Yoonchae. These like I don't know, I think they're magnets or maybe just like cardboard cards, but there's Megan, Yoonchae, and then there are these lyric cards. This one is for Debut, this one is for Touch, and then this is for My Way. This one is for I'm Pretty. And then this one is for Tonight I Might. So these are so cute, guys. Oh my god. Okay, then there's this Polaroid thing with all the Katseye members. And then there's a CD here. So cute. It has the Katseye logo and and then there's all of these photo cards. Oh my god, there's so many extras that come with this. Okay, so there's I think one for all of them, but it's Daniela, Laura, Manon, Megan, Sophia, Yoonchae, and yeah. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. They're all like different colors on the back. It's actually really cute. These charm key rings, these stickers, and this poster here. Ooh, look at this one. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.